Hi again, I'm Nita and Blake. I am one of the inventors of the Better Better. And what is the Better Better? The Better Better is like a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. You put it on once and you never have to put it on again. It becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress. And then you simply just tuck your sheets in. So you never have to lift the mattress. You tuck your sheets in. Makes everything, I said that already. That makes everything so great. And so what we're going to do. We have
every weekend, as y'all know, that we're going to give y'all a little tip of the day or the week. But first, don't forget that we do have plenty of answers to all of your questions right on our website. If you just click the questions tab on our website, it'll bring you to another list of all the question and answers that we usually get. And most of the answers actually have, the little demos, a little short video for y'all. So that's really cool.
Yeah, so be sure to look at that. Today, the tip of the day, we're not going to do a demo. We're going to do just a tip of the day. Last week, Blake and I talked about and did a demo on how to put on your fitted sheet. And when we did that...
Using the Better Better.
Using the Better Better, right. And so when we did that, I actually left the fitted sheet on my bed, and I said, I already have it made, so I'll just use that. And when I did, I used 2 flat sheets. So when I used the fitted sheet, it actually kind of had little wrinkles in it. And I was like, that's odd. So I went back and I changed it, and I put my flat sheet on the bottom. And when I did that, like I do... Yep, and then I put my flat sheet on as a bottom sheet, and it made all the difference. It made such a big difference. So if you use a fitted sheet and you want to try to get rid of some of those wrinkles, you may want to try a flat sheet as your bottom sheet, because you can tighten that up and it makes a big difference. Does the Better Better work with a fitted sheet? Absolutely. You tuck it in, it's easy, you don't lift your mattress, so you don't have to throw away your fitted sheets. But if you're one of those people that are looking for a tighter, wrinkle-free, not wrinkle-free, but less wrinkles than you usually have, try a flat sheet as your bottom sheet.
Just try it.
Just try it. It won't hurt, and I think you'll be happy. The quote of the week is from Susan. Susan said, "I am completely satisfied with my Better Better. I even changed my own sheets between visits from the housekeeper, and that never happens. It's so easy now. No bruised hands or sore back from endless pulling and tucking. Another brilliant side effect of using the Better Better is I actually sleep better because my sheets aren't bunching up underneath me. Great product." Susan, thank you for that comment. We love it. Keep them coming, everybody. Let's see. Ann, Sheila, Irene, Dana, Lynette, Karen all sent great comments this week. We love it. Keep sending them. And then also, we had a lot of shares this week. We had, I think it was like over 45 shares or so. Leslie, Janet, Beth, Rachel, Dana, Donna, Debbie. So keep those shares coming, because that just gets the word out. Which brings me to Nita's favorite short comment of the week. And it's from Luann. And all she simply says is, if everyone could see this. And I'm with you. If everyone could see this, I think they would like it. So anyway, that's it from today. Enjoy your Sunday. Go Saints. Who dat? Bye.
Have a good weekend.
Bye.